Brian Malone, born to May 1986, is the current captain of the Wexford senior football team. He made his debut against Monaghan in the 2006 All-Ireland qualifiers. Malone has also represented Wexford in senior hurling. He won a Leinster and All-Ireland intermediate hurling medal in 2007. Brian Malone has previously taught at Blackrock College and currently teaches at St. Peter's, Wexford. He trained as a teacher at Mater Dei Institute of Education, Dublin. References: https://web.archive.org/web/20120443/http://wxford/brian%20malone.php http://www.sportsful.com/id/52124/, http://www.rte.ie/sports/go/championship/2010/0613/Dublin Wexford.html. External links: brianmalone.com